Alright, we're looking at absolute value equations. Okay, we have the absolute value of x plus 5 is equal to 10. Right, and so what we want to do is get this in the standard form where it's just the absolute value of of the variable is equal to some constant. All right, so we want to take this 5 over, or subtract 5 from both sides, I guess you could say. And of course this becomes 10 minus 5, which is just 5. So now remember, what do? We drop the absolute value signs, write what's to the right, and then we're going to do it again, drop the absolute value signs this times, make that a negative, whatever's to the right. So the solution set to this equation is 5 and negative 5. Of course, you can always go up here, check your work, plug 5 in. The absolute value of 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then plug negative 5 in. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so you always want to go back and check your work. Alright, this time we have the absolute value of x minus 7 is equal to 20. So once again, we drop the absolute value bars. Alright, we're going to do it again, drop the absolute value bars, this time make the right hand side negative, so that becomes negative 20. Okay, let's solve the equation, one on the left. So that's going to be 20 plus 7, which gives us x is equal to 27. And then looking at the one on the right, add 7 once again, so this becomes x is equal to negative 20 plus 7. What is that? That's negative 13. Right, negative 13. So as you can see here, that our solution set is 27, negative 13. Okay, and you can always plug that in. 27 minus 7 is 20. The absolute value of 20 is 20. And then plugging in negative 13 minus 7 is negative 20. And the absolute value of negative 20 is 20. Okay. Alright, we got some time. Let's work some more. So we have 2 times the absolute value of y minus 1 is equal to 10. So we want to get this in that standard form, so multiply both sides by a half, and a half of 10 is 5, right? Drop the absolute value signs. Okay, do it again. This time make the right hand side negative, so that would be negative 5. And now it's just the standard thing of what we've been doing, and that's solving for x or y in this particular case. So y is equal to, add 1 to both sides, you get 6. Add 1 to both sides and you get negative 4. Right. So it looks like in this particular one, the solution set is 6, negative 4. And we can always go up and check our work, right? So we plug 6 in. We got 6 minus 1 is 5. Absolute value of 5 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And the other solution was negative 4. Plugging negative 4 in for y. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. The absolute values of negative 5 is 5, and 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. Alright, we got time to do another one. Maybe now we've run out of screen. Okay, well, you know where to catch me at. I'm right here, my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ Michael Griffiths. See you there.